Hey y'all, Joe here with J-Tech. Tonight we're talking about automatic transmissions, more specifically Planetary gear sets. So this little guy right here is your sun gear. And then this is your Planet. These are pinion gears, and this is known as a carrier. And this is ring gear. So that goes down in there, and then this goes down in here. Maybe, there we go. So, all right. So you have your sun gear, your planets revolve around your sun gear, and then if you hold different things, then it will spin different ways. So this right here, if I'm holding the carrier, so that's reverse. That would be, let's see, this would be overdrive, because I'm barely spinning this and this is spinning super fast. And that would be just spinning that right there and holding this. That would be like first gear, because this is spinning real fast and this is barely spinning. And if I can get this to work. This will be your direct drive. So yeah, anyway, so that's your Planet, your sun gears, your Planet gears. And this whole thing would sit into a drum, and then you would have your clutches, your clutch pack. Your clutches and your steels would spline to this and then spline to the case to hold this ring gear, or allow the ring gear to turn depending on what gear you're selected. So, all right, hope that helps you understand Planet gears and automatic transmission. See you next time.